A friend of mine recently sent me this link, and I got to click on the link and see this same app trending online right now. So I have to make a review on this update. All right, let's go to my WhatsApp to check. So as you can see, a friend of mine sent me this link right now. So I've already made my review on this app or on this link. Maybe it's real or not. So for for your information, I want to give you guys this information. Anytime a friend of yours or anybody send a link to you like this, just first copy the link. As you can see me copying the link right now, just copy the link. So once you copy the link, go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser, open another tab. Another tab first. I don't know why my phone is hanging. Jesus, come on. So open another tab and then go to virus total. Virus total, as you are seeing it here, VIRUS, virus total. So once you go to virus total, you click on the first link which you are seeing here. There are many links that you can, there are many sites that you can use to scan link. Okay, so you click on the first link you are seeing here, this link you are seeing here right now. So once you click on it, it will take you to a page where you will scan the link. Do not click on any link sent to you on WhatsApp or Facebook first before. Do not click on it if you have not scanned the link here. Okay, if someone sent you a link, first make sure to scan the link. It's malicious link or something harmful to your phone. Paste the link here. Once you paste the link, click on the search. I already scanned the link before, so I'm just doing this again so as to give you direction on how you can scan the link yourself. So as you can see, this website scanned this link instantly. You are seeing everything marking green, but this first one which is suspicious is alphamount. Because this website has built-in AI in it, so it will scan the link, scan every details of the link for you, the last analysis and everything, if the link is still active, like if the website is still active or not. So I'm on detection right now, so you can click on summary to see everything, and even it will provide a screenshot. You can see a website screenshot may not contain may contain explicit content. Sorry, to display it, please press the allow button. So you can just choose to click on the allow. So if I zoom this now, you can see the main page of the link. You can see the main page. Okay, so you can view other details, and as for me, the details I'm seeing here, this link is not malicious. Okay, so this is the first step to do, to scan the link and make sure it is safe for you to click first. So after that, you are going to make your research if the update is real or not. Okay, if the update is real or not. So I'm opening another tab. I'm going to paste the link again. Is sorry. Come on, what's wrong with this thing, man? So I'm going to paste the link again and crop the referral out. Sorry, wait. So I just input the link to see, to search on my website if this link is real. Alright, as you can see the link here, which is keymoney.89h.xyz. Like it is kind of the link is kind of complicated. You can see there's no picture on the domain. There's even from your review here, there is something suspicious about this website. They just like it just a all this kind of how will I put it? All this kind of link that they use to get some people's details, your password, your account, your WhatsApp account, your Facebook account, or something like that. So this link is kind of those kind link. So that's why I scanned it on Virus Total that time, and the app told me that this link is not malicious. So that's why I decided to click on the link. All right. So let me click on the link from this place to show you the interface of the website. Oh my god. Okay, I already have an account. Let me log out first. Let me log out to show you. So you can see the interface as the Virus Total website shows me. That was how I met it. Sorry. So as you can see here, Virus Total already provided the screenshot earlier. So you can see your full name, your email address, and everything like that. Referral code is not complicated. Just create your account. You can test it out yourself, but I'm going to give my honest review on this link. All right, so I already have an account, and I'll click on login and log in my account. So immediately I log in my account, like immediately you create an account on this platform, you are going to get 1,000 welcome bonus. First, you're going to get a 1,000 welcome bonus, and you will be asked to do a social tax to join their WhatsApp channel for 10,000 naira. This is 10,000 naira here. One time, like it is once, and when you join their channel, they are going to give you 10,000 naira added to your balance here. So below here, you can say live withdrawals, people that are withdrawing minutes ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, and so on like that.
Hey, stop
So you
that.
can so let's go to the earnings this thing. When you click on this earn below the home page, so you see watch ads. The second one, the third one, everything is locked. The first one is the only one available, and then once you click on watch ads, I don't know where it's going to take you to. It will take you to somewhere. So you can see all these kind of links that pops up when uh, when you are going to through some website, or this all those kind of pop-up ads. Yes, pop-up ads. So let me go back to this thing. So it's counting seconds to complete if I've watched the ad. So you can see it says reward end, and the second one is unlocked. So you can see how easy this thing is. Let's check my earnings right now.
How? Everybody say how.
So they picked 700 Jesus. They pay 700 naira for each ad you watch on this platform. Oh my god. I'm going to pause this video and don't worry. Okay, so when you click on the top, uh, when you click on this place, this top here, you are going to see people that have made a lot of money on this website. You can see the figure. They are not showing. They are not even showing this thing self. They are not even showing the amount of money they made. Okay, so once you go to the invite, you are going to see your invite link, and we are going to get 1,000 naira per referral you refer to this platform. And once you click on the withdrawal icon, you are going to see the minimum withdrawal, which is 20,000 naira, and their community reviews down here. They made this platform looks like real, but I don't think this is real. It is 100% fake. I don't think this is real. So to confirm if this platform is real, I'm going to pause this video right now and complete their task to make this to be able to accumulate 20,000 up to 20,000. Then I place my withdrawal. So once I place my withdrawal, I'm going to give you the full review of everything. So I'm going to pause this video right now. All right. Okay, before I pause this video, let's go to my AI. So this is how to make a research if a platform is real or not. Go to your ChatGPT. I already did the research on this platform and confirmed that this isn't is kind of complicated because it's not. So as you can see, my prompt I put here is this platform real, and I gave the AI the link to the website and to search all the web browser and everything to search if it is real or not. So here is the review it made. It said, I would not trust this. Input the link, and here are the things that this AI found suspicious in the through scanning the link and everything. This later, please. Alright, so here is the full review of what the AI said about this platform. So you can pause this video to view or read this review on what ChatGPT told me. But based on what ChatGPT told me about this website, it says it is not real. It says this website is not real or claims to be real or something like that. So just you can just pause the video to view everything. Okay. So let's go back to the website. So within 5 minutes of doing tasks on this website, I was able to accumulate 23,600 naira. I was like, so if money was easy to read like this, oh man.
Everybody say how.
Okay, so now we're going to place our withdrawal and let's see how it's going to be. Maybe this is real or not. So I click on the withdraw button, and you can see this is real bullshit. Like this withdrawal condition didn't pop up before the 20,000 naira complete. So after the 20,000 naira complete right now, it's giving us a condition before you can withdraw. And even after completing this condition, there is no probability that there's no probability that you are going to get paid after completing this condition that they are giving you. You have to invite 12 friends. So I'm still going to pause this video and also try maybe if I can see 12 people that can go along with me through this process. Okay, so we want to withdraw and make sure this if this is real or not, because I'm very sure, I'm even 99% sure that this is fake right now, because there is no site that is going to hide their withdrawal condition before you complete their before reaching their minimum withdrawal threshold. So you can see what I'm saying about this website. This is completely fake. It is fake. And there's one thing I noticed on their WhatsApp channel once I joined their WhatsApp channel. So let me go to my WhatsApp and check it. So you can there's like, unless you don't analyze, that's when you won't understand that this is completely fake. Like it's 100% fake. Start running, they don't have any. It's just like maybe a AI created website. You can see their followers 10K, 15K for Jesus Christ. This this website followers is 10K before. Like they're promoting this massively, like Jesus. They have 15K followers right now. Now you can see this ah So as you can see, the website there's no content on their website except there's no content on their WhatsApp channel except the website link. There's nothing. There's no content. Even the ads you are watching that once you click the link, you are going to get rewarded instantly. This is 100% fake, and people are promoting this shit massively. Like I don't understand. Please don't fall for this. Don't even bother to waste your time on this. This is fake. So I'm still going to pause this video and see maybe if I can refer like 12 friends to complete their requirement, and I'm going to withdraw if they're going to pay me or not. All right, so after I was able to complete my 12 referrals, so I decided to place my withdrawal right now. All right, so I click on my withdraw button and it says the minimum withdrawal is 20,000 naira, as you all know. So I select my country, which is Nigeria. I select OPay and I select the amount. As you all know, I want to withdraw everything 20k. Withdraw everything for me, Joe. So I cancel the 20,000 naira and I input 36,500 naira, which is everything. Bro, input my account number and then what? So I type my account number inside it. So after putting my account number and I click on withdraw. So after withdrawing, you can see it say withdrawal request submitted. Processing may take up to 7 days. And I get to check my account balance. It has Jesus. Yeah, now so let's see. It's been 3 days now, so I'm yet to receive my money in my wallet. I've been checking my wallet since morning. I can't find any money. See, if you sign up on this website, just let's be real with this right now. This website is fake and it's scam. So don't waste your time joining or signing up on this website, and don't drop any information because they might choose to update this website. So just be careful with websites you sign up on and put your information. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like this. So click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and share this video to people who need this or who click links without scanning them. Please share this video to as much as possible you can. Thank you guys. Bye.